Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. We're on Unit 2, Week 5, Day 4 page in our morning workbooks. Our directions today say edit and write each sentence correctly and circle the possessive nouns. Number 1, is that the tall man's tray? Fix that one up nice and neat. Pause your video and do it. Number 2, today's joke isn't funny. Okay, so pause your video and fix up number 2. Rewrite it nice and neat. Do your daily math review. No explanation needed on that one. Number 6, circle the equations whose sums are even. So you have to find the sum to find out if the sum is even. Because with what you've got is not enough. You have to find the sum for all 6 of these problems to decide whether or not their sums are even. And then circle them if they are even. And remember, even numbers are numbers when we count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? Write the missing numbers in the skip counting pattern. 55, 50, 45, blank, 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 blank. Pause your video and take care of those. Number 8, 38 minus 18. So I would suggest that you draw a quick picture. Like so. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then circle 18 and see what you have left and write it on the blank. Pause your video and do number 8. And then number 9, write the total amount. So we have a dime, right? We're going to use this strategy where we write the value right on the dime. This is a nickel, right? And the value of this guy is easy, 1 for 1 cent. All right, take care of those, and then we'll start checking from the top. Number 1, is that the tall man's tray? So right away, the first thing I notice is this is asking, not telling, so it needs a question mark. It needs a capital at the beginning. Is that the tall man's tray? It's the man's tray, so it needs an apostrophe S on man's. Then we're going to rewrite number 1 nice and neat. All right, number 1's looking good. We'll come back and circle the possessive nouns after we're done with number 2. Number 2, today's joke isn't funny. That's telling me something, so we need a period at the end. Need a capital at the beginning on today's joke. Today's, right? Today's owns something. Today's owns the joke, so it needs an apostrophe S. Today's joke isn't. We got a problem. This apostrophe is in the wrong place. So we're going to circle this one, right? Because isn't is plus not. So is. And then on the not, we're getting rid of the O and replacing it with an apostrophe. So N apostrophe T instead of N-O-T. Then we're going to rewrite number 2 nice and neat and fix it up. All right, we got number 2 looking nice. Go ahead and grab a color and look for possessive nouns. Is that the tall man's tray? Oh, I forgot to put my apostrophe in. There we go, man's, like that. Go back to my color. There we go. We're going to circle man's because the man is possessive. Today's joke. So today's is possessive, the possessive noun in this one. We'll go back to black. And we'll scroll down to the daily math review. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 10 minus 3 equals 7. And 8 minus 3 equals 5. All right, so we're going to circle the equations whose sums are even. So first we got to solve all these guys. Okay, so there's my answers, and now I'm just going to circle the ones whose sums are even. So I'm going to actually switch to a color. So 2, 4, 6. Right, there's another 6. There's a 4. And there's an 8. So all those are the ones whose sums are even. All right, write the missing numbers in the skip counting pattern. 55, 50, 45. They're counting backwards by 5s, 40. 35, 30. 25. And then we're done. Scroll down. Number 8, 38 minus 18. Going to use a color again. So I'm going to circle 18 because that's what we're taking away. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. So all my 1s and 110 equals 18. So all I have left is 20. And then our last one is write the total amount. So we're going to start with the largest coin first. So 10 plus 5 is 15, 16. So there are 16 cents total. All right, go start your reading sheet assignment.